Yo, what's sizzling, everybody? My name is AJ, and today we're going to be cooking this beautiful cowboy steak, aka the Tomahawk. And if we do this right, this thing will take your head off. Alright, and this is our beautiful tomahawk steak. And I know you're wondering, why is it so purple? Well, the reason it's so purple is because it's been marinating in my special marinade of red wine and honey. And it's 2 parts red wine to 1 part honey. Now, the thing about honey and red wine is the fact that they are natural steak tenderizers. So putting them together is not only going to impart amazing flavor, but it's also going to make sure that this thick piece of meat stays super tender. Go. This is a thick piece of steak, so you want to season it like you mean it. Don't be scared, don't be shy with your seasoning. Otherwise, just the outside will be flavored, and then the inside of this huge steak is going to be bland. And that's just a waste of a good steak. You always want to make sure that both sides are seasoned. You don't want to waste the steak by under-seasoning it. Salt, pepper, a little adobo. And this here is a little cheat on how to get the sides seasoned by just using what's already on your board. Just like so. She's ready for the grill. All right, guys. She's been out here for about 2 hours. As you can see, she looks beautiful, juicy, and delicious. We're gonna take the temperature, because the temperature that we're shooting for here is about 131 degrees, which is gonna be a nice medium rare. So I've got my digital thermometer here. We're gonna click her on. I've already got it set to the temperature that I want, so we're gonna check right in the center here, the thickest part, and see what she has to say. Says 127. So we're gonna give her a little bit longer. See here what she says. $131, right on the money. There you go. Now for the fun part. Put that meat over there, and we're gonna get a nice good hard sear on it. And all right, guys, this is our completed tomahawk. We're gonna go ahead and cut it off the bone here. Oh man, that's just so tender, so juicy. Right there. We're just gonna take this right over here. Get a couple slices of this cap. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's fantastic. You smell the smoke. You can smell the wine. That right there, friends, is my first tomahawk. We've been working so hard for it.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah, boy.
So, how you feel about your first tomahawk steak?
This is fun. It really wasn't that difficult to even cook. It's just because it's so big that I can see how people can be intimidated by it. But really, you just take your time to season it right and just give it that little bit of love that you would normally give a steak. It's easy as cake.
Okay, so how does it taste?
Oh man, the wine really adds this very mature flavor to the meat. So it's not just beef. It's got all these interesting notes of berries and of wine that just adds to the enjoyment. It really kind of it's got that umami quality that just keeps you going back. It's fantastic, and a wonderful sear on the outside with the right amount of salt and pepper. It's got a beautiful crust. I mean, what's not to like? Bon appetit, y'all. That's good eating right there, y'all. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys.